Hello everyone, in this video you can see outdoor kitchen and village kitchen interior design ideas. So if you like these ideas, first of all like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon, and this video share to your friends and family members. Start with a warm welcome and brief introduction of what a video will cover. Mention the charm of functionality to outdoor kitchens and the rustic beauty of village kitchen interiors. Invite viewers to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Explain to growth trend outdoor kitchen and their benefits such as extending living space and enhancing the entertainment options. Highlight the introduce of considering the climate and location of your outdoor kitchen setup. Discuss different layouts such as U-shaped, L-shaped and galley style kitchens implies the need of efficient space utilization and workflow. So suggest must-have application like grills, refrigerators, sinks and storage units. Mention the importance of weather-resistant materials, steel, stone and trained wood. Talked about choosing finishes that complement the outdoor environment. Suggest using hand-woven rugs, embroidered tablecloths and lined curtains to add texture and color. Encourage adding potted herbs, fresh flowers and wooden cutting boards to enhance the rustic feel. By following this structure, you shall be able to create informative and visually appealing YouTube videos. So don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.